What's up, YouTube? It's me again, Marlin from Marlin Media. Today, we are going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel. And we are going to talk about the steps that can make your YouTube channel grow. What do you need for your channel to grow? What do you need to create a long-lasting channel that will attract viewers? Hi there, I'm Marlin from Marlin's World, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. I would like to thank all my subscribers out there. If you're from Kampala here in Uganda, if you're from Nairobi, Kenya, if you're from Accra, Ghana, Lagos, Nigeria, New York, everywhere in the world. Not forgetting my brothers out there who are in UAE. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your continued support to the channel. You watch the videos and you're subscribed. I would like to appreciate you. It's the reason our channel is growing every now and then. So the first thing, your channel should be entertaining. People go to YouTube or the internet basically to do two things. One, to be entertained or to get away from the stress of the whole day. And two, they go there for education purposes. Assuming like someone needs to learn something, they'll go to the internet, they search. If they need to learn a skill, they can go to YouTube, type in whatever they want to learn, and they will get it. So, two things. Educational, your video should be educational. Two, they should be entertaining. So like if you are a person who entertains, like a comedian, or like you create funny stuff, you can create a channel based on that. One other way to make your channel grow or to get views is make videos about trending topics. There are times when like something is trending and it might be in relation to your niche. Say for example, there is a big event. If you're a music channel, maybe like there are BET Awards for you who watch BET Awards. So you can make a video about BET Awards, maybe like for the year, maybe for 2021, 2022, or whatever year it may be. So when you make a video on that, definitely, since it's a trending topic, it will be picked up by YouTube, and people will be searching at that particular moment about that video. So that's one other way that you can do that. Talk about something that you are passionate about. If you're passionate about music, well, share with your audience music. If you're passionate about cooking, well, share cooking videos. If you're passionate about homeschooling, for example, if you're a teacher, homeschooling during this COVID-19 pandemic, very many people have been studying at home. Very many people have been looking for ways of keeping their children and themselves like learning. So you can create videos on homeschooling, and it's something. Two, you have to know about a niche. You should know particularly what you're going to do, what you're going to create your videos about. What type of videos are you going to create? Because there are very many people out there who are particularly doing something. So creating a niche is that you should be able to find what you are going to share with people about. That goes back to what I told you earlier on, that if you're a teacher, do teaching. If you are a musician, do music. And it's not necessarily that if you are that professional. No. You might be a doctor and you are passionate about poultry farming. An example is there is some doctor in Uganda here. He was working here in Kampala, and yeah, well, a medical doctor, but he's so passionate about poultry farming. So he decided to create a channel called Farm Up. You can check out his channel. I'll leave a link below. He talks so much about poultry farming that he has created a community within that. This is someone who has even quit his job. Can you imagine? He has quit practicing medicine and opted to develop his channel and opted to do farming professionally. So, well, that's what we call passion. So, create your niche based on what you're passionate about. That's very, very important. Another thing that I must emphasize is you should always shoot your videos and upload regularly, because it helps your channel grow. So for example, if I visited your a channel today and I got something interesting, there are high chances that next time I'll again be forced to come back and check for more videos. So for example, if someone is uploading on videos about YouTube, will keep like suggesting those videos to those people. So I just thought you should know that. Now, this is something that is quite controversial depending on how you understand it. It's always important to make videos that are short, concise, and straight to the point. It's kind of a debatable topic, but hey, why would I come and watch a video of like 30 minutes if, remember, like for us here in Africa, okay, not everyone, but then majority of the people have internet is quite expensive to buy. So like it's always good to make shorter videos, average 3, 4, 5, okay, let's say below 10 minutes, because those videos have shown to be performing quite well in recent times. Though we have people who are making longer videos, like live streams. Live streams are usually longer. Someone can finish like an hour, 30 minutes, but it's advisable to always shoot concise videos. If you're really enjoying the video, please, why don't you just subscribe? Subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll enable me to keep making more content, and at the same time, you can smash the like button if you're enjoying the video. If you like what I'm talking, just click on like the video and subscribe. Another thing that you need to do is you have to always be yourself. When you create a channel, when you're talking to the camera, be yourself. Try to be natural. Don't force. There are some people who, like, when they are starting out, they have seen several videos made by several YouTubers and they're like, I could do a video like that. But like over time, you find that you can't keep up. That's why it's important to be yourself. Be yourself, be natural, and when you're creating the videos, talk. Just imagine like you're talking to a friend. Just like right now, I'm just imagining I'm just talking to my friend who is on set with me. So it makes you feel natural. It makes the people who are viewing you like be natural and at ease with you. So don't fake accent, don't copy other people. But then, like, if you see something good about someone's video that can improve your videos, well, I don't discourage you from doing it. Go ahead and pick something that you think can boost or can help in your production. Once again, I'm Marlin from Marlin's World, and if you're enjoying our videos, please subscribe. Again, subscribe.